Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to tell you how to download an extension. So basically extensions sorry, are something you can have in the top, like a game. Like I have two games that I play and they're pretty fun. So I'm going to tell you how to install them in your Chromebook. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to search up web store. So it should bring you here. Now you have to click the first one, chrome.google.com web store. So this is it. And it's gonna say this part underneath. Right? Okay. Now click on the link and it's gonna bring you to this page. So there's lots of stuff here. And let's just say I want to get a game. So you have a specific game like the rope. Like you might want cut the rope, right? Then just search up cut the rope. You don't know specifically what you want to get, then what you can do is that you can go here, it says extensions, there's themes, apps, and then games. So I'll show you everything, but I'm just showing you with games first. So there are many games. Just to get the game, you click on it. So this is one of my extensions. I don't have the exact same one. There are quite a few versions. So it's 2048, a pretty fun game. So all you have to do is add to Chrome, add app, and then it's there. So yeah, that's all you need to do. And then it's gonna show up here. Some of them, like the games, they literally show up in your app area. So just click on this icon. You can add as many as you want, right? So let's move on to themes. These are themes. So what themes are is that they're really like when you go to a tab and you see Google. Mine was like a My Little Pony one, right? It will change your theme for you. It'll change your top bar for you, like this, and I'll turn it to purple. So it kind of gives you an overview, right? Super pretty. Reviews, right? So look at the reviews. Okay, I'm probably gonna add this one to theme because I like the reviews. And I looked at the overview, so I'm probably gonna like this one. So see and look. Now my theme just changed because I can just say undo. It kind of gives you an overview. So say I like the waterfalls one. Add to Chrome. Oh no. Okay. And yeah. So some of them are just for color, some of them for different. So there are many to choose from. Now for the apps I was talking about. So apps are like something that literally shows up inside, right? Like you go to your apps and it comes. So you're gonna click apps and it's gonna be like different kinds of apps. So this one looks cool. What is it? Okay, this is pretty cool. So Wow, I like this. So it's called Kami, PDF and document annotation. And there's also Google Classroom for school sometimes. Now, to show the ones that I have. So one of the ones I have is Boxel Rebound. So this is the one I have. It's pretty cool. It's like fun to play during class. You can even make your own. So I like that. Another, and remember, this is completely free. There could be some that are a little that you have to pay for, but meow, meow the cat. This. So this is the one I had, the one that you can have on your screen, right? It just sits there. That's pretty cute. So you can add them, and I also have 2048 and 48. So it's pretty cool. I like doing these extensions, and you guys should try it out too. Also, there's one called custom cursors. So great custom cursors, cute cursors. Those are cute cursors. One of my favorite. And your cursor is your pointy thing, the one you can click with. It changes it. So that's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please like, share, and subscribe. Also, one thing I'd like to tell you is that the more you get them, they'll kind of figure out what kind of stuff you like. So it'll say recommended for you. Yeah, so that's it for today, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.